Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin. Yes, see you again and here. Okay, today I want to show you a product. Need a control valve here. Okay, follow me. Let's check it. VCI anti-rust bags, right? Yeah, you're right. Okay. On this part it labels the Shumatt logo. If you want other logos, please contact us. And because we supply the customized services like the label, the logo, the packaging bag, and so on. Yep. For this part, it's product code. Product code F00VC01383. Okay. This part is the application inject model number. It's 0445110376. Okay. On this part, there had the QR code, right? Okay, the other information on it, so no more. Let's open it. Wow, the little boxes is so cute. Oh, actually, before I mentioned this kind of boxes, it's like maybe sometime we see in the movie. It's like little boxes and the package with maybe inside we will put a letter here. Yeah. Okay, let's open it to see the inside part. You can open it in this way. Span it. Wow, it's really have a letter, but it's not a letter. It's our oil paper. Wow, look at this one. This is our product. This one really have very high qualities actually. We not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in separate parts. Separate part is this is a valve cap. For a valve cap with coating and cover the letters, right? Yeah, this is a valve roll. This one, the valve roll. And for our valve roll, we have different sizes, we have different ones. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, okay? Oh, that's all the details about our product. About the warranty, 6 months. Yes, 3 tapes for you. 1 tape, clean it with the oil. The second tapes, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tapes, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tapes I want to share with you. And except that, also we supply the injector, nozzle, repackage, the pumps, the part for the pumps. Yes, so many items. Anyone, if you are interested, remember to follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, we have WhatsApp, we have Facebook, we have YouTube. Yes, anything in any ways if you want to. Yes, you can contact us. Waiting for your news. Okay. So much for today's product introduction. Time is so fast, and I hope we can meet at next videos. Okay. So much for today's production. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, my friend.